Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I want to say with a heart full of joy, happy new year to everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to write a perfect CV, how you can create a perfect CV as a virtual assistant or whatever nature skills you have acquired. It is important that you create a very good CV, a compelling CV, a CV that can land clients to you. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you what is needed to be on your CV and what is not needed. So let's dive into it. Whether you're a newbie, you're just starting new, or experienced, a strong CV is essential for landing VA jobs. Now, on a CV, there are various sections on a CV. So I'm going to be talking about these sections. So these are the key sections to include in a CV. In a CV, you must have these sections in your CV for it to be a perfect one. Number one section is the contact information section. This should include your name, phone number, email, and a link to your portfolio or LinkedIn. Most persons will have our portfolios on our website. You can add your website address there. Now, your name should be your full name, nothing like a nickname on a professional CV. Your full name, your legal name, the way it is, that is what you should have here. Your email address should also be here. Your email address should not just be a kind of like an abbreviation or a nickname. It should be your name. For example, if your name is let's say Tobechukwu Okoli, your email address should be like tobechukwu@gmail@yahoo.com, whatever it is. Okay, or you could have like you could buy a domain, tobechukwu.com, something like that. Okay, now your email, like I said, should be a name, like a professional name of your name should be a professional name. Not let's say you can't just put an email that sounds like hotbaby@gmail.com. It doesn't make sense. It's not professional. So your email should be a professional one. Okay, now number two is professional summary. The second section that should be on your CV is a professional summary. What is professional summary? It's just a brief overview, 2 to 3 sentences of who you are, your skills, and your experience as a virtual assistant. Now, you need to tailor it to the kind of work you're looking for. Okay, if you're looking for, let's say, real estate virtual assistant, it should be tailored towards that. So let's look at an example of a professional summary. Experienced virtual assistant, skilled in managing administrative tasks, social media, and client communication. Passionate about streamlining workflows to save time and increase productivity. So this, on a nutshell, tells the client about like an overview of what you do or your skills or what you're experienced in. Okay, now let's look at the third section. It's the skills section. Highlight your most relevant skills for the VA industry. Examples of the skills are time management, email management, social media scheduling, project management tools, Trello. It could be Trello, Asana, communication tools, Slack, Zoom, CRM software. Whatever skill you've acquired, whatever skill that you know you can use to perform your VA jobs, highlight it here. Be it WordPress development or WordPress design, highlight it here. Okay, now let's look at number four. The number four section on your CV should be experience. Include any relevant job experience, even if it's not strictly VA related. Okay, it could be that you did something physically, like bookkeeping, scheduling appointments for your boss or whatsoever. Include it here. Okay, it must not be something strictly done remotely for you to include it here. If it's like related, if it's related, strictly related, does not mean it must be you are scheduling an appointment, data entry. But if you've done something like bookkeeping, which is close to data entry, add it here. It's also relevant here. Okay, now focus on tasks that relate to the work you'll be doing as a VA in this your experience. Focus on them. Okay, so let's look at how you can an example of experience. For example, freelance virtual assistant, June 2022 to present. Okay, you could first of all you add a company name. So the description of this experience that you have could be manage client calendars, handled email communication, created content schedules for social media, and perform data entry task. Okay, so this example of experience is if you have any experience that is, well, even if it's a teaching, let's say you taught in a school before and probably you taught these children bookkeeping or something, or data entry, it is still related to it. Okay, so it must not like be over strictly related to it, but something that is you can still do for a client as a virtual assistant. Add it here. Okay, now for those, some people may be like they don't have any experience. How then will they put experience? If you don't have any experience, now where you've learned or whosoever that taught you, you could be like, okay, can I please do an internship for you for 1 month or so?